Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I am going to show you the best Shopify apps that you must have for your store. So let's get started. Today we're diving into the top 5 Shopify apps that I think are game changers when it comes to boosting your store sales. And now let's get on with the first app. The first app is FOMO Social Proof Sales Pop-up. So FOMO works by displaying real-time notifications to your visitors. Things like Jane from Seattle just bought this. It's all about creating a sense of urgency. When people see others interacting with your store, it builds social proof and trust, which can drive them to act faster. Plus, FOMO's easy setup means you can start leveraging social proof without a lot of hassle. And you can see the pricing right here. So this is how much it costs. They have the free plan available for you to try out. And now next up is Upsell Wizard. This app is all about smart upselling. It watches what customers browse, add to their carts, and buy. Then it suggests related products that they might want to add. Upselling like this can increase your average order value, or AOV, which simply means customer end up spending more each time they visit. You can offer items that pair well or even upgrade products they are looking at. But remember, keep upsells helpful and not too pushy for the best results. And as you can see here in the pricing, this is how much it costs. And they also have a free plan available for you. And now on the third spot is LimeSpot's Personalizer. Imagine your favorite store knowing exactly what you like. That's what LimeSpot does for your Shopify site. It uses AI to analyze browsing habits and past purchases, then recommends products that fit each customer's preferences. This personalization drives loyalty and can boost conversions by as much as 26%. Plus, it's not just about immediate sales. It's also about long-term customer relationships and creating a store experience that feels tailored to each visitor. And for its pricing, this is how much it costs and the features that you would get. And they also have a free plan available for you to try out. And now our fourth app is Referral Candy. Word of mouth is super powerful, and Referral Candy automates this by turning customers into brand ambassadors. It lets customers refer friends and family with incentives for both the referrer and the new shopper. This simple setup spreads the word about your store and builds trust through genuine recommendation. It's perfect whether you're just starting out or running a larger business, as it scales to fit your store's needs. And here is the pricing. Unfortunately, they don't have a free plan available for you, but they are very worth it. You can see in the rating, which is 4.8 out of 5 stars with a total of 2,000 reviews. And now last but not the least, we have SMS Go. Text messaging is a direct and personal method, making it a powerful tool for staying in touch with customers. SMS Go lets you send personalized messages, reminders about abandoned carts, and special offers all via text. Businesses using SMS Go often see spikes in sales and customer loyalty because these messages are timely and feel personal. And with budget-friendly pricing, SMS Go can be a great tool for any store of any size. You can see the pricing right here. They have the free plan available and their premium is only $19 per month. So you can now get it as fast as now. So yeah, that is basically it for today's video. I hope this video helped you out in getting your Shopify apps. Thank you for watching.